Hello, my name is Timothy Biggins, and welcome to our documentary on human nature. Today we'll be looking at mankind, the strange creatures in their natural environment. Let's take a look. You see here the average human male, like animals, taking shelter from the sun.
He is here looking innocent, however these creatures can be savage.
Oi! What are you doing? Clear off! Turn that camera off, go on!
Yeah. It's really quite something. The stench of the creatures is disgusting.
This here is evidence that humans map their territory.
We find humans in all kinds of abnormal locations. For example,
My leg! Oh god! Pain!
it is important, as we see the creature in pain, not to get too close.
What are you freaking doing? Give me an ambulance! Oh, got me wrong!
Earlier on in the early development, human beings are locked away in the tiny prison as they're quite unpredictable as youths. This is fascinating. Look at the creature as it's reaching for its prey. Wow. You don't get footage like this on nature programs. This is really quite something. Here we see the dark side of the human species. With his dirty clothes. His monkey
You ain't
face.
getting off me, mate!
Did you see that? He just took a swing at me. So then, what have we learnt?
You want some too?
Join us next week at 11 PM for Human Nature X-Rated. Warning, may contain scenes of a sexual nature.